Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to get gems on Fruit Ninja 2. Gems are a premium currency that can be used to buy various in-game items including blades, backgrounds, and power-ups in Fruit Ninja 2. So here are some ways to earn and acquire gems in the game. First of all, open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application, and once you open up to the main home page, you will be able to see the quests option at the top right corner. Simply tap on it and you will be able to see the daily quest which you'll need to go ahead and complete in order to earn gems. After you complete a quest, you will be able to collect gems and other rewards. While playing a different game mode, make sure to aim for high scores. Achieving certain milestones or high scores may grant you gems as a reward. Also make sure to be participated in events. Simply go to the right hand section and click on the events option, but in order to participate in events, you will need to unlock level 3. So make sure you complete the levels in order to achieve rewards and gems as you progress throughout the game. In order to earn free gems, go to the bottom left corner of your home page and click on rewards option. In there, you will be able to receive rewards by watching ads. Click on the free button right under the rewards, and then after watching ads for a few minutes, you will be rewarded with gems or any other achievements. If you prefer to buy gems directly, you can go ahead and do so by going and visiting the shop, and inside the shop you will be able to purchase gems using real money. Make sure to keep an eye for special offers or bundles that includes gems, and these offers might provide more value for your money. So those were some of the tips you can use to accumulate gems in Fruit Ninja 2 and make the most out of your gaming experience. So that is how you can easily get gems on Fruit Ninja 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.